Minecraft education is used in classrooms all over the globe to help teach creativity, independent thinking, planning, maths, and coding. Does Pokemon teach people how to code? Does it teach you anything? I think not.
It's actually
interested in closing trying to get the Pokemon, so it technically still hurts people.
What was that voice?
The Pokemon doesn't hurt people!
Pokemon Go when you're trying to look for Pokemon, guys! Just look on Google!
The Pokemon doesn't die, it fades! Ah!
I'm talking about a
Pokemon fades, they don't die!
The state of maybe doing something bad, but it's unproven and there is no evidence that they have done something bad. People just decide randomly without proof.
So you can definitely just call the other person out saying that I think the definition you're using has too many emotional loaded terms that does not help with our discussion today. So you can call them out if you find them deliberately using these logical fallacies.
Did it ever say in the topic that
It's during school time.
But that is how we defined it. That is how we defined the topic.
Well, that's not what the topic is, though.
correct? Because school isn't the only place where you can play space games.
But we defined it as that. That is how we defined it.
But I'm rebutting the definition because it's ridiculous.
I can't disagree with that.
Okay, so we can eliminate computer, bed, fan, cabinet.
Computers are home items.
Yeah.
People have computers in their
So are
homes.
beds. Eliminate that.
Claire?
I'm on a
You
computer.
can't eliminate beds.
Sorry, can I listen to Claire first? Does it contain something, right? Does it contain something?
Yeah.
Yes. It's actually kind of a good one.
Okay, good box.
So that is how we make how we use definition as well. How much are we going to narrow it down? How much are we going to keep it broad? When you keep it broad, it's less likely that you'd make a mistake and your discussion or your grounds is more likely to connect to the topic, but it would also lead to more loopholes for the opponents to exploit. So that's the art of asking questions. And because in our debate, we are also going to ask each other questions. So think about what type of question would work the best.
Oh, oops. They both start with M, and I'm tired. Okay.
So what? How about
Exactly.
let's use both at the same time? We ask a question, but it could apply to both. So you would both answer. I think that way it will be a little bit more fair.
Who?
It will be
Me and Hannah?
more interesting. Yes.
Okay.
So when we ask a question, it applies to both. So we're going to do both at the same time. So when we ask a question, you both have to.
I'm gonna random generate it.
While all forms of right-wing populist speech will always and necessarily result in hate crimes coming from the outside of the house, there might be a certain correlation, but no definite causation coming from the outside of the house. So yes.
That's so sad, he just ignored me.
The opposition also quoted my speech incorrectly in the reply speech.
Affirmative team in the crossbar.
Minecraft has many violent
hand-eye
settings,
coordination.
but it won't even show throughout this debate because the violence based on your